Hey to all my golf buddies and hackers. Today I'm coming to you because I ran into a dilemma personally with my irons. Recently I decided to move in the direction of counterbalance for some of the benefits that I learned about, or I guess I should say I read about, improving swing speed, accuracy, things of that sort. My dilemma was I use this guy, Arccos sensors. Love the data, love the tracking. I think they have a great product. And obviously, this did not screw into this, right? Didn't work out. Searched around online, found a couple of, sites and people that were saying they, cut this part off, either glued or taped some type of adhesive to get this to sit flush on the counterbalance. For me, I wanted to look for something that was a little bit cleaner, excuse me, a little bit more permanent than that solution. So, like I said, searching the blogs and sites, didn't find too much. Then recently, about a month ago, I ended up switching my grip on my putter to the Super Stroke counterbalance. When I did that, I realized that I needed a special adapter to add my Arccos tracking system to the grip. And that's when I found out that they had special adapters on their site. And going through that process, sent them a couple of emails. Actually was communicating with them through Facebook about what I was attempting to do, what I seen on their site, and how can we merge the two. Well, when you buy this guy, it is a putter grip accessory, right? So essentially the sensor, my understanding is that it's designed for a putter, and the sensors that we use in our irons are designed for irons, right? So, like I said, share my ideas with them, went back and forth, finally came up with a solution. What we did, and I did pay for these, was they sent me the Arccos accessory grip packs, but they sent it with sensors that were designed, the embedded sensors, I guess, designed for irons, right? So, worked out perfectly. What I now have is the weighted system into the adapter, right, which is going to go into the grip of the iron, just like we do with the putters. Sensor up top, and there you go, right? So what you end up with is an iron that now has the tracking method, and I think it looks, pretty clean, pretty good fit. Excited to get it out, give it a try. One thing I'm really excited about is also being able to gather data and compare my club distance of pre-counterbalance and then post-counterbalance, right? So syncing the new adapters, I'm syncing as all new clubs, which moves the old clubs to a different section. However, I can still see how far I hit my driver, how far I hit my 3-wood, and I'll be able to compare that to the sensors that are now tracking with the counterbalance. So pretty good setup, pretty easy, moving from this to this. Great customer service with Arccos, made it happen pretty quickly. And, the fact that they went out of their way to change the sensors and actually give me sensors that were more compatible with what I was attempting to do. Again, appreciate that from them. Some of the positive, obviously, like I said, the tracking, things of that sort. The major negative that I kind of looking ahead that I'm thinking about is obviously when you switch out your grip, every time you switch out your grips, you're going to have to pull the weights out, pull the sensors out, go get your grips changed. And then in the new grips, drill the hole again for your counterbalance and kind of go through that process again. Shouldn't be too frequently, more like once a year, so nothing too bad. But like I said, I'm excited to get out there, see what it does, and then post a few pictures at the end of this video. Hopefully this helps someone out. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye.